Don't wait for research, listen for client signals. Client signals are the foundations of a modern client listening program. If you think about it, traditional client listening has been very research focused, very project led. So you would do some interviews, you get an interview report. You do a survey, you get a survey report. But that's not how the client voice works. The voice of the client is coming into your firm on a daily basis. They are sharing their needs, their expectations, their experiences with different parts of the firms in different ways every single day. And so when we start thinking about feedback signals, we're tuning in to all of these different sources of the client voice. So the client listening program can expand, and it can include still interviews and surveys, of course, but it can also include directories, testimonials, online reviews, emails, meeting notes, staff ideas, pitch reviews. The wealth of different data that is available to the firm when you start thinking in terms of signals, not research, is huge. And then you can start to bring those insights together. And as a result, you can share right across the business far more regularly. You can get decisions being made on a regular basis using client insights because you get this constant flow of signals rather than just periodic research. So the tip for this week is start thinking about how you can collect the existing data signals, the feedback signals already coming into your business, harness them and start sharing those with the business to start informing client-led decisions. See you next week.